Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with another booster box opening. Today we have the second set from Dragoborne, Oath of Blood. This is a dead trading card game from Bushiroad. Take a look here. DB, Dragoborne. Here is the back of the box here. Made in Japan. So, unfortunately, this game is dead. It was not very well supported by Bushiroad. This was their attempt to target the Western audience, if you will, with the medieval style anime. And supposed to be a lot of fun to play, but just didn't take off. So, let's keep this box here. And show off the booster packs here. Little medieval spiciness there for you from the Oath of Blood expansion. Here we go. 8 cards per pack. There's 120 different cards and 5 secret. So there we go. And the Dragoborne site is no more, but the Bushiroad.com is still up. And the Dragoborne YouTube is still up for now. So we'll start with the box topper here. Shield of Logras. I apologize. These are the same as the last box, the Rally to War that I opened, so nothing spectacular there. Okay, well, that one's destroyed. I want to save at least one of these, so let's take a look here. Seafarer's End. Oh, we got to do the no send to him at all, which I like. I like that. Back from the Grave. Fleetfoot Highborn. Holt Stalker. There's an uncommon Fender Bender, which I got in the last set. Resolute Paladin. Gravos Lord of the Loam. 4. And here's the rare, the First Daughter. But this, yeah, that's the ultra rare. I don't remember what they call the 4 stars, but that is more rare than 3, or 4 dots, not stars. It is called a double rare, according to the back of the booster pack. There we go. Let's try not to slice the cards. They have a inner plastic lining. And Mama Pajama. I apologize for this. Well, guess what? And we have Earthbreaker Titan. Oh, that's cool. Attack of 7. The Potioneer. I think that's in the last set too. Maybe different art. Dignified Brawler. Tide Chaser Rogue. Sabotage. Devour. Uncommon. Exalted Duelist is a foil uncommon. And then the rare Halvast, the Searing Horn. Flaming Dragon Unicorn Mix. That's pretty cool. All right, let's try this again. For posterity's sake, to see if I can save a pack. Well, no, that one's shredded too. Titanic Force. That's from the last set. Forgotten actually. Tide Chaser Grunt. Swampland Berserker. Dignified Brawler common. Here's the uncommon Mechanized Rebel Walker. Uncommon, and this one, ooh, Gravos Lord of the Loam. Wait, did I get 2 of the same? No, that's the foil one. Okay. It's like, wait, he's the double rare, and I've got 2 of them? 2 packs, 2 of him? Interesting. Oh, wait, I think if I remember correctly, I can open this. Maybe. Ow. Maybe not. I think that's how I did it last time. Alright. Ingenious Saboteurs. Igneous, not Rocky. Risen Crusader, that's cool. Chrome Gear Zealot. Swampland Berserker. Canopy Scout. Darkforge Wall Smasher. Gallant Chevalier. And Necros the Unending is the rare. Ooh, well, that's pretty cool. He's putting his arm back on. Let's start putting those together. I'm determined to save one of these packs. And once I can save one, then I can tear through the rest of them like there's nobody's business. Ain't gonna happen. Curse you, Bushiroad. Tide Chaser. We'll just go through them quick. Brutal Grizzly, Elderhorn Druid, uncommon, and Elderhorn Druid. So, yeah, there we go. Foil and non-foil, same pack. Interesting. And my rare, Ferocity Unleashed. I know some people are just saying, open the packs, shut your mouth, stop trying to save one. Well, huzzah! Assaria the Cruel. Oh, that's the person on the cover. Master Harvest. Oh, 3. Oh, so we have, wait. So I have a rare, another rare, another rare, another rare, another rare, another rare, a double rare foil, and a double rare. That has to be the best pack I've ever opened out of any game ever. And of course it's a dead game and the cards are worthless. But I love the art and I can't wait to play this. So here we go. Let's keep going. Common, Highborn Sage, Augmented Sniper, the Nightingale, Arsenal of Justice, and my rare United in Purpose. I'm sure that will open just fine. Daredevil Brat. Well, that's cool art. The Healer. Supreme Judgment. Uncommon. And here is Merfolk Tinkerer, a foil rare. That's cool. And, ooh, that's some sweet artwork there. That's a rare. Manticore. That's awesome. My favorite thing about this game is definitely the artwork, the mix of East meets West styles, if you will. Common. Uncommon. I have Shield Mage, uncommon. And Hrist of the Infernal Blades is the double rare. At least they open easily. Uncommon is the Overseer. Interesting in glasses. Shining Decree is uncommon, and Sinister Lord of the Rampage, double rare. And I'm pretty sure it's called the double rare because that's what it says here on the back. So yeah. Although it says the gold dot. Is it double rare? I haven't paid attention to the colors of the dots, just the quantity. Whoa. Santa Claus dwarves, they're going to town. Uncommon. And nope. Ulrisk, Lord of the Glacier. That's the 4 double rare, yeah. So I appear to be getting good pulls. I don't know enough about this game, but that's okay. It's just, this is what takes me out of it, these kind of tech cards in the middle of this medieval world. But yeah, like, is it Transformers Beast Wars? I'm not sure. Sunscale Warden, Crusher of Armies. There's uncommon, duelist again. The Quartermaster, and rare is Dark Puppeteer. Another Titan. Common. Another Fender Bender. Another Rubble Walker. Ellis Aegis of Light. That is a rare. Maya Whimsical Caper. Another rare. Maybe. Raid! Wow, getting a lot of doubles now. Supreme Power, uncommon. Supreme Foresight, uncommon. Oh, another common foil. Ichorback Whelp. That is wicked artwork. Look at that. That's so cool. This is rare. Okay. Keep on trucking here. Dread Gravekeeper. That's wicked, holding the coffin there. Common, back from the grave. Possible the end. Common. There's a cool Manicore. Makes you think of the old Nintendo game or computer game Archon, that crazy chess game. Uncommon. Uncommon. Oh, Nightbane. It's crazy how I keep getting the foil and non-foil in the same packs. Ancient Skylord. That is such awesome art. And this is a rare, but compare the size of the horse there to that rock. Okay. Down to the last 5 packs. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Vivacious Vampire. Coming. Battlesmith. Coming. Angelica's Guard. Vessel of the End. Gifted Geomancer. Oh, that's a uncommon. Remorseful Succubus. Uncommon. Oh, hey. Rita, Scrapper's Ally. This cool foil Harpy. That's actually a rare. And Darkforge Battlesmith. Rare. Still nothing close to that amazing all rare pack I opened, but maybe that's they do that every box. I'm not sure. Forgotten Acolyte Common. Gargoyle. Battleworn Colossus. Nice. Fairy Ally. 1. Highborn Exemplar. 1. Common. Right here is a uncommon. Another Overseer. Uncommon. And the rare is Shadow Hunter. Goblin Stalker. Common. Uncommon. Sudden Eruption. Shining Decree is uncommon. Holt Stalker. Common foil. And Intimidating Guardian. Rare. That's nice artwork. Makes you think of Assassin's Creed. Oh, there's the Santa Dwarves again. You've been naughty this year. Common. Bewitching Stonegazer. Common. That's odd. The Gardener. Another Holt Stalker. Supreme Ambition. Uncommon. Augmented Hellbound. I think. Augmented Stonegazer. Foil. Common. And another Merfolk Tinkerer. Non-foil. And last, but hopefully not least, the final pack from Oath of Blood, the second Dragoborne set. Common. There we go. Righteous End. Augment. Rare here of Star of Divinity. That is really cool artwork. And the final guy is Vainglory Incarnate. 3-star rare. There we go. So, there you have it. The Dragoborne Oath of Blood expansion. The second set from the unfortunately now dead Dragoborne Rise to Supremacy trading card game. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.